Is your fridge really freezing all the time? What happens in the freezer compartment out of sight after the door is closed? The temperature rises and falls, and the cycle repeats itself with the defrosting process. Temperature fluctuations torture frozen ingredients. Pressure Shield effectively blocks heat generated during defrosting from entering the freezer compartment. %40 reduction in temperature fluctuations. No more repeated thawing and freezing of ingredients. Keeps ingredients 2 times longer with less loss of juices. Pressure Shield, truly committed to constant temperature freezing.